Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of the Thomas Clan. Today is a very special episode because Audrey and I are going to plant some potatoes today. So we're going to show you how we do it, and hopefully you learn something. And if there's any comments anybody want to make below, we do appreciate that. This is my first time planting potatoes on a massive scale. As everybody knows, we had that small experiment with the potatoes from underneath the sink last year. Didn't really go so well. I got exactly one potato out of it, but that's okay. It was just an experiment. They were store-bought, so it is what it is. So basically the way that we're doing this is we've pre-rototilled our area. You know, being that we have very hard ground, you do need to do that. You know, you want as soft a ground as possible because everything that's important for the potatoes obviously grows in the ground. So what we've done is, if I can, not sure if you can see all that. So basically we've rototilled, mounded up the hills, and then we've actually dug a little bit deeper for the to place the potatoes. Now the way that we are doing it is we're placing 3 potatoes in a row, and we're going to do each little row within the bed a foot apart. So we're going to have 10 rows in this bed, and then we're going to have another half bed right here that's 3 by 5. And so we are going to end up with 45 so-called hills of potatoes. So hopefully it does well. Hopefully it grows into some big, beautiful potatoes to eat. So a couple quick things. Number one, with potatoes, I do not pre-water before planting them. This is the only plant, at least that I can think of, that I don't pre-water when I'm planting. The reason why is that potatoes, here Audrey, can you pick up a potato seed for me? Or a seed potato? Careful. All right. So a seed potato is very soft. All right, and because it's basically an old potato where it can start rotting. There, can you put that back for a second? Now, if you put too much water into the ground when you plant them, you know, they can start to rot, they won't produce, and well, then you don't get potatoes. So what I do is I'll plant the potatoes, and then I'll make the hills, and then I'll water from there. So that way only the right amount of water will get through the soil. The plant will have to the plant will have to seek it out and find it, which will hopefully end up making stronger potatoes at the end. So yeah, so at least for the planting phase, that's pretty much it. A nice short video today. I hope you enjoyed. Please give this video a thumbs up. Right, Audrey? Please subscribe below, click the bell for notifications, comment below if we miss anything, if there's anything that you think is important at home, or if you have any questions, hopefully I can answer them for you. You can follow us on Instagram, like us on Facebook. You also join our MeWe group as well. I hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.